Today I'm at the Texas Capitol Mall, and we're going to go up to the Capitol. This isn't going to be a very long video, just admiring some of the sights throughout the Capitol Mall, and getting to the state capitol, then we're going to end it, because I have another video on the Capitol grounds itself and the inside of the Capitol. Let's go. And we'll go ahead and head towards the Capitol. Look up at the buildings in the Capitol Mall. This is the Texas State History Museum. Bullock Museum parking. And heading off to the middle so we can see everything. I guess the grass would actually be the center. 1700 Congress Avenue building. Here's the William B. Travis State Office Building. That's very significant because we're in Travis County, so you know that guy was important. That's 1701 Congress Avenue. Dolph Briscoe Center for American History. Explore nearby. Oh my goodness. I never noticed this. The state of Texas. So here you have the South Texas Plains, the Gulf Coast, the piney woods, prairies and lakes, and here we are in the hill country, Big Bend country, and the Panhandle Plains. It looks like there's some kind of beast up here on the right. Yes, it is. It's Mr. Armadillo. See if I can get a quick picture with him. Cheese. Say cheese, Mr. Armadillo. Okay, back to reality. 1501 Lavaca, 1500 Congress. So it looks like they're building or working on building more buildings. Diocese of Austin. Chancery, Diocese of Austin. And I think we're going to have to walk across to get through to the Capitol. Gotta love construction, right? There's a look down the Capitol Mall where we came from. And that's straight across is the University of Texas at Austin, literally right across the street. Emma's Garden, Capitol Complex Child Development Center. This is the Robert E. Johnson Sr. Legislative Office Building, here to my left. Outdoor area there at the Johnson Building. It's a big building. It just keeps on going. It's like an entire city block almost. Congress Avenue. That's one of the main streets through downtown Austin. And they have these things up so that nobody drives through there. I think that would be severe vehicle damage if you tried to. There's the John H. Reagan State Office Building. I'm going to go ahead and end this one here. We'll see you in the next one.